Very good morning, dear students. We completed polynomial chapter. So today I am going to take one division class on the chapter. Listen well. Here is the first question in division class. Check whether minus 6 comma plus 6 are the zeros of x square minus 36. To check this solution, first I am taking given polynomial as p of x. Let p of x is equal to x square minus 36. Now I have to check minus 6 and plus 6. Here p of minus 6 is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 36. It means 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Similarly, p of plus 6 is equal to 6 square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So what we can write as minus 6 comma plus 6 are the zeros of p of x. So, second question. Find the zeros of 4u square plus 8u. Find the zeros of 4u square plus 8u and check the relation between zeros and coefficients of given polynomial. Find the zeros of 4u square plus 8u and check the relation between zeros and the coefficients. Solution. First, to check the relation, first I am taking given polynomial as p of x. Let p of u is equal to 4u square plus 8u. To find the zeros, I am taking that p of u is equal to 0. It means 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. So from this, what is the common here? 4u is a common. Then what happens here? Remains 8u plus 2 is equal to 0. It means 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. U is equal to 0 and u is equal to minus 2. So the zeros of given polynomial as 0 comma minus 2. The zeros of given polynomial as 0 comma minus 2. Now zeros are given. What he has to do? Check the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. Now this is a quadratic polynomial. It has two zeros. That is 0 and minus 2. Now relation between zeros and the coefficients. What is the given polynomial? 4u square plus 8u. So I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. What is a is equal to 4 and b is nothing but 8. C is equal to 0. What are the zeros here? U is equal to 0 comma minus 2. So from this I am taking one 0 as alpha and one 0 as beta. So alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to minus 2. What is the first relation here? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is the meaning of alpha here? 0. Plus what about the beta? Minus 2. Minus what is the value of b is equal to 8. By a is nothing but 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Some mark zeros verified. Then after product of zeros. What is that? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is the meaning of the alpha? 0 into minus 2 is equal to c means 0 by 4. It is 0 is equal to 0. So sum of zeros verified and also product of zeros verified. So here third question in division class, if 1 comma minus 1 and minus 3 are the zeros of x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. Verify the relation between zeros and the coefficients. Here what is the degree of given polynomial 3? First solution. Let P of x is equal x cube plus 3x square minus x and minus 3. Degree of the given polynomial is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial contains 3 zeros. First comparing with ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d. What is the a is equal to 1. Similarly, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to minus 3. I am taking that zeros are alpha and beta and gamma. So what is alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to minus 3. Now relation between zeros and coefficients. What is the first relation here in cubic polynomial? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. What is the first relation? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. What is the value of the alpha? 1 plus beta minus 1 and gamma minus 3 is equal to minus. What is the value of the b here? 3. By a means 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So first relation verified. What is the sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So here what is the second relation? Second relation alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by minus c by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by a. What is the value of the alpha? 1. Beta is nothing but minus 1 plus beta is nothing but minus 1. Gamma is nothing but minus 1 plus alpha is 1. Gamma is minus 1 is equal. What is the value of the c here? Minus 1. By a is nothing but 1. C. Minus 1 minus 3 minus plus 3. And also minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Second relation is also verified. What about third relation? Alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus b by a. What is the value of the alpha here? 1 into minus 1 into minus 3 is equal. What is the value of the d here? Minus. So minus of minus 3 by 1. It means 3 is equal to 3. So the relation between zeros and the coefficients are verified. Now I am moving to a very important concept. If alpha, gamma, beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Here I know zeros. Alpha, gamma, beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Then what is the formula to find required quadratic polynomial? A bracket x square minus alpha beta into x plus alpha beta. If we know the zeros, here I know the zeros. I need a quadratic polynomial from the zeros. What is the formula to find quadratic polynomial? A bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into gamma plus alpha beta. Examples on this concept. It is very important concept. If 2 plus root 3 comma 2 minus root 3 are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, find it. If 2 plus root 3 comma 2 minus root 3 are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, find it. Let solution. First I am taking 2 plus root 3 as alpha and 2 minus root 3 as beta. I am taking the 2 plus root 3 as alpha and the 2 minus root 3 as beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the value of the alpha plus beta is 4. Similarly, what do you need? Alpha beta. Alpha beta means 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. It is nothing but in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. A square means 2 square minus b square means root 3 whole square. Square root cancel. So it is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So value of the alpha beta is 1. So now I know the value of alpha plus beta and also I know the value of alpha beta. Required quadratic polynomial. Required quadratic polynomial. K bracket x square minus alpha beta into x plus alpha beta. Required quadratic polynomial. K bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Minus. What is the value of the alpha plus beta? 4. It is nothing but 4x. Yes. What is the value of the alpha beta? 1 plus 1 by taking k is equal to 1. So what is the required quadratic polynomial? X square minus 4x plus 1. So required quadratic polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1. So 10th class students, here is another question in division class. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers are sum and product. So here two numbers are there. So from these two, one is a sum of zeros and one is a product of zeros. It means alpha beta is equal to root 2 and also alpha beta is equal to 1 by 3. We have a formula. What is the required quadratic polynomial? K bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now I am going to substitute alpha plus beta and alpha beta values are in this polynomial. X square minus alpha. What is the value of the alpha plus beta? Root 2. So it is root 2x plus. What is the value of the alpha beta? 1 by 3. Now here I am taking LCM. What is the LCM here? 3 is a LCM. So it means K bracket. After taking 3 as LCM, what we can get here? 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. I am taking k value as 3. So it is 3 bracket 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Required quadratic polynomial x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is a required quadratic polynomial.